guys, welcome to another video lab of MrLopezClasses.com. We are going to continue with our book of marine generators. And in this lab, we are going to analyze the harness. We are going to analyze the harness and the sensors. We are going to check the harness carefully. You remember the video where we fabricate the harness completely? That wonderful video? You like it? In that video, if you remember, we did the harness complete. Now we are going to analyze in the generator. If you have the chance to visit a boat to see a generator, visit the boat and check the harness and try to analyze in the control box where is located the stop relay, the start relay, the run relay, those three relays. Where is located the switch, the start switch, the stop switch, and the preheat switch. Check in the control box those switches. After that, we are going to identify where is located the coolant temperature sensor and the coolant temperature switch. Also, we are going to verify where is located the oil pressure sensor and the oil pressure switch. In the engine, identify where are located those sensors and those switches. And try to see the difference between the sensor and the switch. Normally the switch is two position and it's the same wire. The same wire enter and continue because the switch interrupt. Also try to check where is located the exhaust gas temperature switch or sensor. It's only one. It's located in the elbow of the exhaust. You remember that one? Exactly. Identify where it's located. It's touching the elbow of the exhaust. Yeah, those sensors. Ready? Oil pressure switch, oil pressure sensor, coolant temperature switch, coolant temperature sensor, and the sensor of the exhaust. Important sensors. In a typical generator, those sensors are mandatory. Okay? Alright. And we are going to check the harness in details. Where is located in the fuel injection pump, where is located the solenoid of the fuel injection pump. Where is located that solenoid? And how many terminals have the solenoid to activate or deactivate that sensor? The colors of those wires. If you have the chance, try to follow the wiring diagram of that particular generator. Follow that diagram. In this particular case, this is the diagram for a diesel generator ABTDA. And try to identify where are those sensors, those switches, the preheat, the ignition switch, the relays. Follow the wiring diagram and identify where is located each of these. Try to do this in this diagram. Try to understand how is the process to start the engine and how is the process follow the wires and mark the wires with a different color to stop the engine in this diagram. Is clear? Mark with red color in that diagram where is the current entering. After that, pass for that switch. After that, for that relay. After that, enter here, pass through the sensor, that enter into the start motor and start the engine. Mark in this diagram the path of the current to start the generator. Mark in this diagram the path of the current to stop the generator. Mark where is interrupted the current when the oil pressure switch is open. Mark with a circle where is interrupted the current when the coolant temperature sensor switch open. Mark in that diagram where is interrupted the current when the exhaust temperature sensor or switch open. Yeah, this is a great exercise. This is the typical exercise. Alright, this is following the harness. If you do that, if you understand this diagram, you understand the engine, you understand the generator. Now, I want that you try to check in the back end of the generator where is located the voltage regulator, and identify in the voltage regulator where are located the three spots to calibrate, to adjust the voltage, to adjust stabilization, and to adjust the gain. Verify in the voltage regulator where are located those three spots. I want that you verify in that generator the excitation. What type of generator is? Is type alternator or is type armature? Oh, the excitation is with brushes in the rotor or with a bridge of diodes on the stator. What type of generator is that generator? The generator that you have in your boat, in your school, the generator that you founded. Check what type of generator is. Okay? If you have a chance, go in the back end and locate the a.c.r board. You remember? The a.c.r board? Correct. And verify what type of configuration is in that generator. Is American, single phase? Is European, double phase, single phase? What type of configuration? Of course, check the manual and check the different type of configurations and verify for that generator what type of configuration I have. And now, remove the cables from the a.c.r board carefully, putting back the nuts, and with the megometer, try to verify if the backend is in good condition. You remember that procedure that I did with Mr. Rodriguez in class? That's the megometer. With the megometer, we are going to crank and we are going to produce an extra voltage. And we are going to check if the winding in this phase is open or is in short. In other words, this element is used to check the condition of the winding. This element is a generator. It's a manual generator. And with that generator, I am going to check the condition of the winding. I am going to check phase by phase. This element have a needle. In one end is 0. In the other end is 1,000 millions of ohms or infinite, too much ohms.
Yeah.
Okay, if during the cranking the needle goes to infinite, is a good indication. If during the cranking the needle goes to 0, it's out. Ready?
Right.
We are going to check. This terminal will be connected to the ground. The ground is any part of the ground. I am going to connect in the frame. And the other one should be connected to the phase that I want to check. Okay, this is 0 and this is infinite. We are going to check if the needle goes in this direction or goes to 0 during the cranking. Okay, Mr. Rodriguez, go ahead. The needle is going to
Infinity.
full infinite or
No.
Not too full. What is the meaning of that? No, the meaning of that is this. This is the symptom in the generator. Oh, Mr. Lopez, the generator is running, but when I apply heavy loads, for example, give me an example.
Air conditioning.
Air condition.
Yeah.
When I apply the air condition of the saloon, the generator and shut down.
Because the windings.
Because the winding is good, but when the temperature increase, open.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yep.
That phase is not good. What about this phase?
That one's terrible.
Goes to 0. One phase produces 60 volts and the other one 0. You like it?
Yeah.
Correct. This is the process to verify if the winding is in good condition. And now, my friends, you are ready to do diagnosis in any type of generators because you understand the generator. You know the generator. Good luck.